Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So, right now, I want to share, okay, to all of you what I can do, okay, if I want to send the file using the Google Classroom. Okay, so here I am a student of this class. Okay, I am a student of this class. Okay, so go to the classwork. Okay, alright, go to classwork. Got it? Okay. So this is the work that I should do. Okay, this is the work I should do. Okay, alright. For example, if I want to take my Power activity, okay, so I click this. Okay, I click this Power activity. Okay, so I am assigned right now. Okay, I am assigned to this activity. Okay, so this is my activity that what I should do. Okay, so I view the assignment. Okay, alright, so this is what I get. Okay, this is what I get. Okay, alright, add or create files for your classwork. Okay, so this is what I get. Okay, then okay, what I can do is I can add or create the assignment. So I see this is, I can see the video, I can see the image they upload. Okay, the teacher upload here. Okay, this is the teacher upload video. Okay, so what we are going to do, you want to send your work. Okay, for example, I am going to send this work. Okay, I send. Okay, Google Drive link file. Okay, so I think this matter you don't see. Okay, so just go to add or create. Okay, you okay again. Again I click add or create. So I click file. Okay, I click file. Okay, so let's say I want to upload something here. So select files. Okay, you see, you will get this screen. Okay, then you click select files from your device. Okay, select file from your device. Okay, I think if in the telephone they will be different. Okay, so let's see. This is the file that I say I want to upload something. Okay, I want to upload. Okay, 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 I want to upload this. I click this file, open. Okay, so I PDF image also can, audio also can. Okay, so then if I want to add more files, let's say I want to send more than one, so I click add more files. Let's say I want to add another file, this. Okay, so so I can add one or two or three or any file I can add. Okay, then after I add this file, I will click upload. Okay, so the file will be uploaded. Okay, so this one are the file I want to send. Okay, this is the file I want to send. So wait. Okay, alright, so after I send this file, okay, let's say after I send this file, okay, I want to hand in this file. Okay, so I click hand in. Okay, so this attachment will be submitted. Okay, so I will click hand in, so this will be hand in. Send. Okay, so this is how I should send the work. Okay, let's say, okay, if I just want to send this one but not this one, okay, so I can click unsubmit. Okay, I can click unsubmit. Okay, to add or change. Okay, don't forget to resubmit. We unsubmit first. After we unsubmit, okay, so let's say I just want this one, not this one. So just now I send two file, but now I want to send one only. So I want to remove file. So I click again this. Okay, or if you want to add another file, you can click here. For example, if I want to add another thing, so I go to add or create file. Okay, so let's say I want to upload file from my device. Okay, Okay, so I want to send the image. Okay, so then I upload this. Okay, so okay, right now I have this, I have the send all file, but I want to send a new file. So I have to do something. Okay, so I am sending a new file here. Okay, a new file. I will send this to file. Okay, then I going to click again and hand in. Then you confirm here, and then I will hand in. Okay, so I already submit. Then I write the comment, I have done my task. Okay, thank you. Okay, so if you have your name, for example, my name is Saiful. Okay, so I send the private comment. So let's see. Okay, I have sent the assignment. Okay, so go back to our the assignment I give. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I already hand in the assignment. Okay, so you don't worry. If I already hand in, if you want to edit, you can follow the step I give to you. Okay, so I can see, I view my work. So this is all my work. Okay, assign. Okay, I know that which one I have signed, which one I don't do, and which one I already give. So I already give you the file. Okay, so this is what I give. Okay, assign. This is a time. Okay, return. Okay, no work from me. Okay, missing. So okay, for this reason I think I late to make it. Okay, so the work is missing. Supposedly I should send by this date, but I didn't send, so they consider it as missing. Okay, alright. So let's go back to here. Okay, let's say, okay, this is what I doing. Okay, so the teacher then will check either your work will send or not. Okay, so I hope this video help you. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.